Today is the last topic of geometrical figure. I am going to tell you, but I want to ask you in first period with what I had told about angles. Name the angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Second part, circle. Name the parts of it: center, radius, diameter, chord. And now today I am going to tell you about vertex and side. So see, in our textbook it is like this: geometrical figure, vertex and side, rectangular, square and triangle. So vertex and side. Now what is vertex? Vertex are the corner point of the given figure. For example, see, the corner point of first is square figure is like P. P is vertex, S is vertex, R is vertex, Q is vertex. In rectangular, A is vertex, B is vertex, C is vertex, D is vertex. In triangle, A is vertex, B is vertex, C is vertex. But circle I have not given anything. And sides are like the line segment that joins two vertices in a shape is called as side. Side is nothing but two vertices which are together, two lines like PQ, side PQ, side QR, side RS, side PS, side AB, side BC, side CD, side AD. Same way, side AB, side AC, side BC. Square has four vertex and four sides. Rectangular has four vertex and four sides. Triangular has three vertex and three sides. Circle has no vertex and no sides. Because there are no corner points on the circle, no sides. If no corner, how it will be sides? So no corners and no sides. Did you understood vertex? How many vertex are there for square? 4. And sides? 4. For rectangular? 4. Side? 4. Triangular? 3. Side? 3. Circle has vertex and side? No, because they don't have any point only. Right. Now see, full detail like vertex P, Q, R, and S. Side PQ, side QR, side RS and side PS of square. Any doubt? You can ask. Rectangular vertex A, B, C and D. Side AB, side BC, side CD and side AD. Triangular vertex A, B and C. Side AB, side BC and side AC. I have not showed circle because there are no vertex, no side of it. So remove your notebook and we will solve the exercise number 3. Right below exercise number 2. Complete the table. You will draw a box, how the picture is like figure. Then you'll draw square, rectangular and triangular shape. And in that you'll write name of the figure, how I have wrote like square, rectangular and triangle. Same way, name of the side 4 4. Name of the how many sides are there, and corners are there, you will write in it. If you don't understand, you can tell me. Exercise number 4. Complete the table. In this, you'll write vertex and sides. You'll draw this full box figure. Then you'll draw this triangular, square, rectangular shape ABC. Full you'll draw. And then you'll fill in this box only. No, you'll not make other box and make. You have to make this blue color box. And you will write that same answer in this box. First is side AB, side BC, side AC, ABC, side PQ, side QR, side RS, side PS, PQRS, side LM, side MN, side NO, side LN, LMNO. So today we have completed the first lesson, geometrical figure. Tomorrow I'll give you some questions, paper like. You will solve and you will send me the answers. Okay. I'll take a small test of this lesson, that you understood the lesson properly.